Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by cutting power to the car. Turn the ignition off and remove the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench. Once done, inspect the gas cap and tighten until it clicks. Many codes clear from a loose cap. You should have gloves, a flashlight, and a rag handy. After disconnecting the negative terminal, wait 15 to 30 minutes so capacitors and ECU memory drain. This clears many temporary fault codes without using a scanner. Next, you perform mid-level checks that often fix persistent lights. First, visually inspect vacuum hoses and intake boots for cracks or disconnections. A leak triggers codes. Then remove and clean the mass airflow sensor using dedicated MAF cleaner. Allow it to dry fully before reinstalling. While you're at it, pull a spark plug or check ignition coils for fouling or damage, because misfires and rough idle lead to stored faults. Make sure to resecure any connectors and clamps before proceeding. To finish, reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten it securely. Then turn the key to RUN 2 times without starting to let the ECU cycle sensors. Start the engine and drive a normal 10 to 20 minute route, acceleration, steady cruise, and idle, so the computer can reevaluate systems and clear learned faults. If the check engine light comes back or flashes, do not ignore it. That indicates an ongoing issue. Troubleshooting tip: if the lamp returns, document symptoms and get a diagnostic scan to find the specific fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.